already in jail for more than 10 years.
Not to be delayed.
Main matter is coming on 24th.
He knows about it, not to be deleted.
Item 8.
Okay.
This case, my lord, petitioner has paid 32 lakh rupees towards
What
permanent.
is the agency, sir?
My lord, and
Matter
they
is listed.
not listed. My lord.
Sleep granted matter.
Leave granted है और कुछ नहीं.
एक मिनट क्या हुआ?
On that day, my
बोलिए
lord,
ना.
my lord, can listen, my lord. I was on that day, my lord, I was hospitalized. Therefore, I requested one of my friend to adjourn the matter, my lord. But my lord has, while dismissing the matter, my lord imposed 1 lakh cost, my lord.
Yes, we have deliberately, not because of your absence.
My lord, I'm so sorry, my lord.
No.
My lord, the petitioner is poor Adivasi person, my lord. He has annually 50,000 income, below 50,000 income, my lord.
Gentlemen,
I have.
it was perhaps to the best of my
I apologize, my lord, on that day, my
No,
lord.
it is not. Cost is not because of your non-appearance. No. He never imposed cost.
My lord, my friend was
It was
applied,
argued.
but she could not apprise the matter
It
properly.
was argued, sir.
My lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. This is small matter, my lord. Kindly appreciate, my
Because
lord.
this bench does not impose cost at all. But
My lord, I know, my lord, my lord is very well judged, my lord. My lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. My lord, the petitioner has
move an application.
Please, my lord, I will move that.
We'll see at that time.
My lord, kindly appreciate.
We'll see.
Item 1.
Yes, sir.
But this is directed against the conviction under P76 and
Yes, tell us.
Yes, the sentence of 10 years, but 6.5 years is already undergone.
Yes.
But it is my specific defense that I have been framed in this because I had a quarrel with the family of my lord, the complainant. One of the main reasons, my lord, your lordship, you should notice is the evidence of the doctor.
Yeah, we have seen that.
Yes.
You've been behind bar for 6 years.
6.5 years.
Out of 10 years.
Out of 10.
Yes, what do you say?
Lordship, granting leave was
Bail.
Lordship.
6.5 years already undergone.
Yes, I am not opposing the bail, but this is a criminal appeal.
Yes.
So what do you want? We have not granted leave this far.
Lordship.
What he probably wants to say that leave, your lordship will have to grant leave and hear it finally.
Years.
Lordship.
Minimum sentence is 10 years.
Yes. 10 years. This is a criminal appeal. So if Lordship wants to hear it on some day, Lordship may grant bail at 6 years, more than 6 years is done.
What we propose to do is, we'll grant leave and list it in the mobile itself. You may perhaps have a good.
Lordship.
Kindly grant me bail till at least 6.5 years is my lord out of 10 years.
No, it is not out of 10 years. Please.
It is minimum is 10 years.
Minimum.
Correct. The sentence awarded is 10 years.
We are granting leave and we'll fix it for hearing.
Your lordship are aware, my lord, matters are not reaching. I'm only praying for bail, my lord, for hearing, my lord, any date suitable to
No,
you.
matters are reaching, lawyers are not reaching.
In this court, you can't say matters are not reaching.
Once your lordship grant leave, my lord, we don't know before which court, my lord,
Leave granted. We are granting bail.
Lordship, she is for the complainant. You have, Lordship had appointed
Amicus.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the concurrent conviction by the below courts.
What else? You are an amicus. Yes, please.
Lordship, according to section 29 of POCSO, create statutory presumption of guilt once the foundational facts established by the prosecution. And in this particular case, the prosecution has well established the foundational facts. First, according in the commission of offense, which is corroborated by petitioner witness 3, with the identity of the accused, with the testimony of the victim, corroborated by the petitioner witness 3, who was minor at the time of the incident, merely 7 years old. However, the accused has accepted this fact that he was residing on the first floor of the building, same building.
Let's continue to evaluate your
Where-
video magazine.
Whereas the accused accept by making the false and fabricated story that there was a conflict between the petitioner and respondent number 2 regarding the poor food quality, he is making this story. And he is not letting any evidences to discharge the burden upon him, my lords.
So very glad that you are prepared this so well. Sorry, sir. We are not granting. We are not granting you. Leave granted. This was hearing is argued very well.
Good for that.
But no.
Lord,
See,
your lordship.
gentlemen, just listen.
Yes.
We were ourselves in doubt. Have you not seen twice we were conversed? To do or not to do?
Yes, yes.
But she has invited our attention to the fact that it's a 7-year-old victim.
No, she was 14 and a half. He's wrong.
No, victim was 14 years old. The prosecution witness, her brother was 7 years old at the time of incident.
He was wrong.
We are granting leave granted, list in November.
Great.
Grateful, my lords.
But record will have to be called immediately, otherwise.
Record being called for immediately. Digital copies be transmitted, be supplied to the council to electronic. Digital copies be supplied.
Please, Your Lordship.
One thing, sir, which will come in your way
Yes.
is that you have not led any defense. See, why we are telling you, we have read the brief.
Correct.
What is weighing in our mind is this only. And the doctor's statement is perhaps in your favor.
No internal, no
Sir,
external.
just 1 minute, you are not allowing us to please.
Yes, please.
Doctor's statement is perhaps in your favor. But the testimony of the victim, the mother, perhaps, and the brother, how do you overcome that
Yes.
in view of the law laid down by this court?
Yes.
That's all you are prepared on that.
There are several discrepancies
Thank
in
you,
the
sir.
evidence of.
That's what you are. Thank you.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lords, in terms of the last direction of my lords, I have filed a supplementary affidavit, filling out all the orders and filing all the order sheets. Some were in Urdu, so I have also filed a translated copy and typed copies of the same.
So he is to be blamed for delay.
Not only he, my lords, the other accused persons, because out of 42 effective hearings after framing of the charge, out of 26 hearings have to be adjourned because on one of the other accused was not present. Neither an exemption is filed and NBWs were to be issued.
Who's for the petitioner?
I appeal for the petitioner, my lords. My lords, I appear for the petitioner.
Yeah, yes.
My lords,
See, we
too
wanted
small.
to know what is the reason for delay. Prosecution is not the reason for delay.
I bow down. My lord, just 2 small points for your lordship's
3
consideration.
kg heroin, 3 grams,
8 grams
8 grams heroin.
and 20 gram poppy.
Coffee.
My lords, in respect of the sentence, the charges that have been framed against me, except for section 27A, carry a maximum term of 10 years. On account of the charge framed under section 21A, the sentence that.
You ask your co-accused to fully cooperate. You'll say the trial is expedited.
My lord, just 2 small points, my lord. Just 2 small points for you.
Yes.
Number 1, my lords, out of all the hearings, and there's a very helpful list that my learned friend has himself produced in the supplementary affidavit.
Correct.
As per this list, there have been a total of 11 times when all the accused were present, but the prosecution witnesses were not present, because of which the trial had to be adjourned. I can give the dates to my lords.
Just hear the order. We have used the supplementary counter affidavit filed on behalf of the respondents, annexing the order sheets, the trial courts. Sorry. We are of the considered view that interest of justice will be best met with the disposal of the present petition in the following terms. A, the hearing in the appeal, the trial is expedited. The prosecution shall ensure that the prosecution witnesses remain present on such date which may be fixed by the trial court. For as we notice that on 11 such occasions since the commencement of the trial in the year 2021, there have been 11 times when the witnesses were not present. Even though the accused were present, all of the accused were present, the witnesses were not present. See, that's all. Thank you.
My lords, may kindly just, in the event the trial does not progress for reasons beyond my control, would your lordships kindly permit me to approach for bail again?
Liberty granted to the petitioner to approach the court should the trial not progress.
Grateful, my lords.
Because, not because of their faults.
Not progress, whatever it is.
Please, my lords, only my lords have said trial has begun in 2021, it has commenced in 2022.
2022.
I'm deeply grateful, my lords.
Item B.
Please allow. No, this is again the cancellation. My anticipatory bail has been cancelled. Now see the facts and merit of the case. There are cross complaints only at the relevant point of time. My mother was a sarpanch, and the grudge was that her son has not been appointed on the compassionate ground in the Gram Panchayat. Therefore, this crime has been registered against me. And prior to that, my affair is there.
You have violated
Both the conditions.
Lordship, my daughter is having a bone marrow, so I have to travel.
But see, gentlemen, you had to just tell the court that sorry, sir.
Even there was some error because charge sheet was already filed, but while passing the order, it has been noted that after filing charge sheet, 3 months. So, but at the time of passing that order, even charge sheet has been already filed. But see the merits, my lord. See the fact. This is all vindictive. That, and I am working as a Gram Sevak. I am in government service.
So influential, your lordship.
Mother is my humble request, my lord.
Sorry.
Why should you even interject?
Sorry.
Have you called upon you, sir?
Sorry. Yeah.
So my humble request, lordship, kindly see the holistically all the things, because I am working in the government.
Why is you violated?
So, they have this after the imperial order, after the order granting bail, there was some function, and that's why I attended marriage ceremony. There is no inducement, there is no.
Is an offence under the SC/ST Act.
Yes, your
lordship. It is not made out, my lord, because it has been misused. I will read certain paragraphs.
What was the condition?
No, not made out, therefore you were granted anticipatory bail.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have violated.
What was the?
I will read certain
What was the
paragraphs.
condition there you violated?
Not to enter into that particular village.
And what was the charge against, allegation against you?
That
He incited?
yes. I will read that. Lordship, this is not a case of cancellation. When we read certain paragraphs, I will read and I will leave it to Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see page 56. I will read from para 6. My lord, this is the order which passed granting bail. May I read, my lord? Para 6 at page number 56. Perusal of investigation paper revealed that informant is pressurizing. Complaint at 2 o'clock, and then evening they have lodged this complaint because only reason was that my mother was a sarpanch at relevant period of time, and her.
Why did you violate the condition is what we are saying, because it amounts to not.
I will compensate, my lord. I will
not only violation,
cost only
influencing the witnesses.
No, that is allegation. With great respect, that is allegation. See the vindictive character, my lord, how they are behaving. They just want to rope me into this, my lord. I will compensate. I will pay some cost.
Not the.
I do agree. I don't know. I understand what is falling from your lordship. Lordship will kindly appreciate because he is a government servant and his daughter is having bone marrow. He is a donor.
Is when your daughter is suffering from bone marrow?
So I have placed all the documents as additional documents. I will just point it out.
Yeah, just 1 minute, what do you say?
Your Lordship, twice he has violated the
Since
condition.
20
Even your Lordship, kindly see his complaint which has been made.
2020.
He has tried to influence the people against me, your Lordship, to create a law and order situation in the city, your Lordship, the place. And his mother is Sarpanch, he is an influential person, your
He
Lordship.
was not a mother, Sarpanch now, my lord. He is not a Sarpanch now, my lord. And I have not influenced. This is all allegations, my lord.
Thank you, sir.
Oblige, your Lordship.
So what? So I am ready to compensate, my lord. Lordship may kindly impose cost, my lord.
Cost is not the solution, sir. Thank you.
Item
I'm
4.
obliged.
Please, my lords. On the last occasion, my lords, I had pointed out that the main co-accused had been granted bail. Your lordships were then informed that there were antecedents. I said that the antecedents were all cases which were subsequently put on me after my arrest. I have now filed a rejoinder affidavit which shows that in all those cases, though the cases were pending earlier, my name was not there in the FIR or in the charge sheet. After my arrest, they've just added it so as to keep me in. I've got bail.
It's not like that, that we have just added him.
I know, bail.
More than 3 years.
5.
Lordship, permit me, may I mention one request only? I will surrender and the trial court may consider my bail urgently, my lord. Expedite, at least that. On the same day.
Justice would be best with the disposal of the present petition on the following terms. We just call the other side.
I have already informed them outside. They are well aware about this. I was just informed.
The petition shall surrender within
2 weeks, my lord.
within 2 weeks from today. So, as and when the petitioner moves an application for grant of regular bail, the court shall consider the same on its own merits, expeditiously on its own merits in accordance.
Because charge sheet has been already filed on
He
the
said expeditiously on its own merits in accordance with law.
on the same day because he is in government service, my lord. So, Lordship, that is intelligence because this is a fit case of antecedent.
Expeditiously on its own, we have said that.
I'm obliged. On the same day, it will help me because otherwise I will be suspended from the service.
Hold on. Same, expeditiously. Expeditiously.
I'm obliged.
We can't say same day, now please.
Yes.
You understand? Supreme Court saying same day means the Lord.
I'm obliged.
Please, Your Lordship, this is after notice matter. The state has to file Wakalatnama.
Your Lordship, we were served on last Saturday, so
Yes.
we have filed the memo, but it has not been came on record.
Your Lordship, I also have to file the proceedings of the trial court to show that there is no delay from my side.
Correct.
Your Lordship, it is ready, will file it.
As paid for within 1 week. 1 week you file,
Yes, sir.
agenda 1 week list on dash. Needless to add, in the pleadings it shall be, in the counter affidavit, it shall be, state shall inform the stage of trial and as to whether there is any delay accountable to the prisoner.
I'm deeply blessed.
Obliged.
Item 7.
May I please, Your Lordship? Reading notes in item 6 says that huge delay in approaching Your Lordship.
Doesn't matter, you argue on that.
Your Lordships, are very excused that you notes. Lords, the co-accused have been granted regular bail by the High Court, Lords.
Yes.
And Lords, the allegations are recovery of 351 liters of illicit liquor outside the house.
Notice. Notice.
Lord, I'm appearing for the state. I accept the notice. I will count.
As an under trial is in jail since December 24 months. Material witnesses have been examined as on date. My lords, in between, there was a death in his family. My lords had granted interim bail. He had not surrendered within the time specified by this court. My lord, now on regular bail as an under trial prisoner, my lords, material witnesses have been examined. He is not directly connected to the crime, my lords. The allegation is against the other co-accused, whom they say they had an enmity with the disease.
What do you say?
Lords, the recovery from him is of blood-stained clothes and the motorcycle that was used in the incident.
But he is not the main accused. Or is it-
Because he's been named in the statements, your lordships. As the statement of Anoki Lal Milords, although it's a 161 Milords, the trial has commenced. PW3 has been examined. He has named him.
Recovery of blood stain flows of the deceased or of himself?
That is not clear, Milords. Actually, I'm sorry. In the disclosure.
The recovery is consequent to memorandum.
Yes, yes.
Where is-
Pursuant to the disclosure.
Where is that memorandum?
Yes, yes. Page 30, Milords, your lordship will have.
30?
Yes, Milords. 30.
Yes.
Your lordships comes to page 32, the last few lines. And as soon as I held Roop Singh tightly, Roop Singh is the deceased, Milords, tightly on the ground, my brother-in-law, who is the co-accused, took out the lightning bulb and made it dark and kept the bulb nearby. After that, my brother-in-law Shiv Narayan slit Roop Singh's throat, cut it in half with a sword. The sword has been recovered from the co-accused. We both ran away from there with the mobile. Then I dropped my brother-in-law Shiv Narayan at his house and came to my house. Later, we both kept hiding here and there. The next night, we both reached my in-laws' village, Turania, by bus. Then last night, when we both were running away from there, the police caught both of us. Motorcycle is standing at my house. The motorcycle is the vehicle by which they had come to the field. And the clothes worn at the time of the incident. Now, Milords, whether it belongs to him or the other guy, it's not.
You're holding him.
What is your name?
Milords,
Dharmendra, Milords.
he is Dharmendra Bakuri,
Dharmendra.
accused number 2. Milords, may just see the statement of the witness, how he states, Milords, which was recorded by the police at page 45, Milords. This is Anoki Lal. He is the alleged eyewitness to the incident. If my lords may have at page 46, last 6 lines, my lord.
Yes.
How he states, my lords. My lords, it starts from some unknown persons. These persons were well known, my lords, in the village. Everyone knew each other. Some unknown person has murdered my Roop, it should be my brother, my Roop Singh, by hitting him with a sharp weapon. I was very sad to see the dead body of so-and-so. Therefore, I could not give any information about the 2 persons whom I had seen on motorcycle near the farm at night.
No.
But they were Dharmendra and...
He is already examined.
Now he is examined.
PW3 has been examined.
Okay, is PW3.
He is being examined.
Where is the deposition?
The deposition is not on record, Milords. We'll place it on record.
It was subsequent. We'll bring it on.
Has he, in the deposition, has he named you?
It's now in the deposition because
He has named
it's an
you.
afterthought.
Thank
It's an afterthought.
Sorry. Thank you. No, yes. Very fair.
Item 8.
This item 8 is also coming after notice, Milords, except the confessional statements of co-accused in another case, Milords. There is nothing against me. And Milords, High Court merely, Milords, considering the antecedent, Milords, rejected it. Nothing, Milords, please see the impugn order, Milords.
Yes.
Not named in the FIR, nothing, Milords. In a confessional statement of co-accused in another case, Milords.
Who's there? Yes, what do you say?
Your Lordships, we have filed a counter on Saturday.
What do you say in the counter?
Your Lordships, we have listed the antecedents there.
Can you just give us?
5 cases. 5 antecedents.
4 cases.
Five,
4 cases as per
five
their own counter.
Your Lordship, 5 antecedents were disclosed before the High Court. The state's information that we were able to retrieve only 4 antecedents. Your Lordship.
All 379?
Your Lordship, some are murder as well. Your Lordship will see
Murder also.
No.
para 15, Your Lordships.
Page 6, Milords.
Your Lordship, 2 similar antecedents of dacoity, Your Lordship, as is this present case.
First and 4 is 3110. That is
Yes, Your Lordship. And in fact, Your Lordship may also see para 16, wherein we've stated that as the investigation is still undergoing, we require time to also recover the articles from the informant and his companions from
Have
here.
you given a bail?
no, this is regular bail.
This is regular bail, Milords. 7
How
months.
can the investigation be pending?
7 months, Milords, and
Your Lordship, some of
only
the things have
charges have yet not changed, Milords. Only charges.
Investigation may be pending where the other accused. But if it is pending 6 months, He must have been released after 90 days or 60 days.
Charge sheet has been submitted, my lords.
But there's a pattern. I don't know whether false implication or you are a criminal, because everything is of November 24. October, September, October, November 24.
Lords, lords, this is again strange thing, lords. I did, since your lordship raised it, lords. What has happened, lords, in all the cases of that area, lords, my name has been, lords, this is, your lordships have been there, lords. This is how, lords, to solve the cases.
That
This is,
usually happens because
lords, similar, lords, I'm so sorry, lords. Prior to that, nothing, lords. Thereafter, nothing.
because people like you are active in a particular area at one point of time.
Lords, here also,
Since they are missing in one area and then move to some other area.
lords, please appreciate one
It is
thing.
how they operate.
Here also, lords, nobody has said anything. Lords, co-accused, maybe lords rival, co-accused